Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to export chart data from Tradingview. First, open the chart you want to work with. Make sure you have selected the correct symbol, such as a stock, crypto pair, or forex asset. Also check the time frame. For example, you might be using a 1-hour chart or a daily chart. The data you export will match exactly what you see here, so take a moment to confirm everything is set the way you need. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see the name of your chart layout. Next to it, there is a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow to open a menu with more options. In this menu, look for the option that says Download Chart Data. Click on it. This will open a small window where you can prepare your export settings. In this window, you will see a choice for time format. You can select between UNIX timestamp and ISO format. If you are not sure which one to use, ISO format is usually easier to read because it shows standard date and time. UNIX is more technical and often used for programming or advanced analysis. After choosing your preferred format, click the Download button. The file will be saved to your computer, usually as a CSV file. You can open this file in spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets to review and analyze the data. Thanks for watching.